Darshana Rampuria Dhariwal, a chartered accountant by profession, and into this finance sector industry for more than a decade now. I started my career working in a few corporates, and then the bug for entrepreneurship bit me hard, and I started my own consultancy service wherein I've been providing different kind of solutions to businesses and corporates. And currently, I'm part of two different venture. A, of course, my consultancy, wherein I am yet closely connected with corporates, and B, my jewelry brand, Dhariwal Jewelers. So that is a creative part of me. And challenges, yes, a couple of them. For instance, that there is so-called marriageable age. So you do face in a lot of mental pressure sometimes from people around, wherein who do not understand, and you have to make your choice to give focus and your time or stipulated years to your career, and not take the next leap of faith. So that was a bit challenging for me at that given point. And B, in my sector, certainly, we hardly knew girls who would rush through meetings and be on the other side of the table. So making your mark in a sector which is yet predominant with men around became a bit challenging. And see, one challenge, yes, after I got married, I had to change my base altogether. Starting off to something which had started flourishing was a bit challenging, but I think challenges do make you strong and they help you come out bolder. So that has been good. The biggest challenge for women in their personal lives, uh, certainly balancing your house and the home responsibilities along with office responsibilities is certainly too challenging, and at times even very emotionally draining, wherein you have to either let your heart win and keep your career as a second option, or B, let your brain win and keep your home aside. So having the right chord, the right balance becomes pretty disturbing. And B, health wise, of course, your menstrual cycles are painful, and going through that along with your usual work pressures, sometimes on the health, it certainly impacts in your health that way. And C, women apparently are a little more emotionally driven than men. So having your toddler way back in the house and trying to focus through your business meeting, I think emotionally it is certainly very, very draining to take the call for your career or your personal life. Guys, life is beautiful and you get one opportunity. So, all that is really important is to have that confidence in your own self that you can do it. Till the time you don't have the conviction, you will not be able to. Be persistent. There would be too many stones that may come on your way. Be persistent and passionate about what you want, and you can certainly reach there. The road may be difficult, but the end stop will absolutely be too beautiful. So have that conviction on yourself, on your belief, and on your dreams, and just flow with it. Don't give up, is what is very important. That gives you a beautiful life.